This time I bought iPhone 11 Pro Max 256GB for only $350. Let me show you how it all happened. As always, everything started with eBay. I saw a really nice listing with iPhone 11 Pro Max. After a small bargain with the seller, I ended up with a price of $350. The iPhone was listed as iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256GB, midnight green, Verizon lock. After reading detailed description, I found out that the phone was in disabled mode and was bought as a storage unit. The iPhone also included original box and was described as scratch-free. Once I have checked photos of the listing, I saw that the iPhone was in a pristine condition. Before making a purchase, I reached the seller in order to get IMEI number of the phone. After IMEI number was provided, I confirmed that it was iCloud free and Carrier unlocked model. Few weeks later, I received my parcel. And it was time to unbox it. Here I got the box with an iPhone that I bought off eBay. Actually, this is not a midnight green color, but a space gray one. Let me first check the IMEI number on the box, if it is the same as was provided by the seller. And it matches. Now let me open the box and see what I've got. I've got iPhone 11 Pro Max space gray color, SIM eject tool, USB-C charger, Lightning to USB-C cable, and that's it. The next step will be to check if the IMEI number on the SIM tray matches IMEI number located on the box, so I can verify that the box is original. Luckily, IMEI numbers are identical. Now it's time to check the iPhone's condition. The iPhone front glass looks great, but still has some small scratches and one big scratch in the left corner of the screen. The back glass looks pristine, zero scratches were noticed. The housing looks great as well, not a tiny scratch on any side. The bottom screws looked intact, meaning that this phone was never opened or repaired. Let me turn it on and see what I've got. As it was mentioned in the description, it is in disabled mode, meaning I cannot do anything with the phone except dialing emergency calls if the SIM card is present. To make it work again, I need to restore it. Restore is possible only when connected to the laptop, as all the process is happening there. Let me connect this iPhone to my MacBook and proceed with restore. In order to start full system restore, I need to put this iPhone in DFU mode. The same I did with $128 iPhone 11. If you haven't seen this video, please click on the link and check it out. To put iPhone in DFU mode, I need to press volume up button, volume down button, then press power up button and hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release power up button and proceed holding volume down button until the phone is recognized by Mac. I will follow the same steps. Once the MacBook recognized iPhone in DFU mode, I can proceed with downloading newest firmware. When download is done, the MacBook will do the full system restore. After restore is finished on the MacBook, the iPhone will be automatically restarted. Finally, we have a welcome message screen. Now I can check if the phone can be activated. Activation was successfully completed, and I can finish up setting up this phone. So far, so good. This is the exact 256GB iPhone 11 Pro Max. Next, I will do some basic tests in order to check if everything works as expected. I also checked the battery health, and it showed me 88% of the maximum capacity, while the other third-party program was telling me that this iPhone has 366 cycle counts, which is a lot. As a final step, I will give this phone a good clean. And here's the final result. Now let's talk about numbers. The iPhone 11 Pro Max costed $350. Tax that I paid was $67. Shipping costed $20. So in total I spent $437. Just before finishing this video, I sold the phone for $615, so my profit is $178, which is great. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button. And I see you in the next one.